on Fertility, Elizabeth speaking.
I'm calling in regards to a transfer that I'm supposed to be doing in May, and I'm supposed to call on my day one.
Yeah, is that today?
It was actually yesterday.
Okay. Let me just pull up your chart. Yeah, so it's for the funded FGT, correct?
Yes.
So let me just go to the schedule here. So if yesterday was day 1 to day 2, we need to bring in for that day 10. So Tuesday the 8th, 9 o'clock is available. This is
Okay.
for your blood work and ultrasound, no full bladder. And it's funded, so I just checked your admin fee still up to date because you paid November.
Yeah.
The only other thing would be storage. I think your storage is also up to date around the same time, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So again, just bring your health card, no full bladder. We'll see you on Tuesday, May 8th at 9 o'clock.
All right. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Awesome. You have a great day.
All right. Bye.
Okay, bye now.
All right. So I just booked my day 10 ultrasound and blood work. Now I got to call for acupuncture. It's gonna be my first time actually doing acupuncture. I'm kind of excited. Gotta book that. I want to try to book it for this coming Friday, so that way I can get in one and be all set up and know the procedure, everything, and maybe go next week and then the following. So once a week from now on until transfer. So let's do this. Hi, I am currently going through IVF, and I'm needing to come in to get ultrasound, acupuncture done. And it will be my first time doing it.
Okay, and you're going through IVF. Tell me exactly what procedure you're doing. Are you doing retrieval or transfer?
I'm gonna be doing transfer.
Transfer. When is it gonna be?
Well, they haven't set a date yet, but it will be next month.
In May or June?
Yeah, May.
May. Okay. Oh, that's coming close.
Yeah, it is.
Tomorrow's May.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, so it will
great.
be in about like the middle of May.
Middle of May, so we
Yeah.
have about 2 weeks time.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe a little more than that.
Sure. Okay. Yes. You're interested in coming in?
Yeah, I was thinking I could maybe make an appointment to come in maybe sometime. I was thinking Friday of this week, and then coming in again next week.
Okay. Friday around what time?
Let me think. Maybe say 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. We have 12:15.
That's fine.
Okay, so the acupuncture treatment that we do is based on traditional Chinese medicine.
Okay.
So we believe when the body is off balance, the body is not performing 100%. And that's when a lot of people struggle with conception. So first of all, we want to find out where the imbalances are. So we're going to do the TCM diagnosis. So that's the tongue diagnosis and pulse palpation diagnosis. And also we're going to ask you questions about your lifestyle, about your medical history. So we're combining all the information together, we're able to find out where the imbalances are, and we'll go from there. And obviously, because of the timing, it's coming close, we're going to do some acupoints, and that will help to boost the chance. So for the first visit, we spent about half an hour time at the consultation. So we're going to go through the diagnosis, and we'll also comment on your diet according to TCM food therapy as well, so that you know what foods to eat and what foods not to eat.
Okay.
And also some information about how to boost fertility on your side at home.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Yep, bye.
Oh, I can't wait. This is so exciting. I'm so happy that the procedure is finally starting. Man, I've been waiting since November. So the time is now, guys. The process is starting. Transfer will be